is Marie-Agnès Messi, and I am a chemist. I studied chemistry in Germany, and I came here in Canada in 2008 in Fort McMurray when I started job working in the water treatment field. And between 2008 and today, I had 3 kids, and I had jobs and time where I was out of job, and so all that was a little bit frustrating for me. And because I really like to bake, I started baking when I was young, and I was doing that for my kids and family. And I thought maybe it was something that I can really learn and start something on my own. So that's why I've decided to take this class to bring my skills in the level that I will be first happy and then try to also do something out of it. Yeah, that's why I'm here.